Welcome back. Let's introduce the first corporate that we've lined up for you, Sunteck Realty. Kamal Khetan, the CMD of the company, joins us on the phone line from Mumbai. Afternoon, Mr. Khetan, and thanks for joining in. This is in reference to your recent announcement that you provided an exit to Kotak Realty Fund in your Goregaon project with an IRR of 22%. So that's pretty hefty. So now Kotak has exited it completely. Could you walk us through what the potential is of your Goregaon project? And are you looking to get in another player?
Good afternoon, Rima. This is we have given a full exit to Kotak. We have given approximately 270 crores, and this exit actually makes the company now the total 100% of the upside will come to the company, and whatever we do, so will be totally it's a now 100% subsidiary of Sunteck. So we are planning to not raise any further funds right now from these projects, at least right now.
Hi, Mr. Khetan. Thanks so much for joining in. But I believe that the project is known as Sunteck City. What exactly is the plan in terms of this? When will the project get completed? I think you've already launched phase 1, phase 2. Could you run us through those details?
Yeah, so this Sunteck City is totally 23 acres, which is 7 plus 16 acre and 23 acres. So Avenue 1 and Avenue 2, that is the phase 1 and phase 2, we have launched. And from that, we have already sold close to, we have sold the inventory close to 550 crores. And right now, what we are looking at launching another part of the phase 1 and phase 2.
Okay, you've already sold inventory worth 550 crore. How much more to go? What's the total value of the project, and when will you be realizing the remaining?
So total area here, it is 23 acres. Rima, what we are looking at 23 acres, and it is what we are realize will be 6 to 7 million square feet will be able to construct from here, and this will be a total mixed development of residential, commercial, and retail. And out of this 6 to 7 million square feet, what will be developing, 3 to 4 million square feet will be residential, and the balance will be commercial and the retail.
All right. So this 550 crores is how many square foot, sir, that have already sold? The total potential is 7 million, as you said. And also, could you tell us what are the average realizations coming out of this Goregaon project?
So the average realization, what we have already sold is above 15,000 rupees a square feet, and going forward we are looking even at close to 15,000 rupees a square feet from Avenue 1 and Avenue 2 itself. We are expecting a top line of close to 2,250 crores or 2,500 crores, and a bottom line of PBT of around close to 700 to 800 crores.
All right. I think the street likes what you're saying, Mr. Khetan. As we speak, I think the intraday chart should come up. The stock is moving higher currently as well. One final question. Could you give us some guidance in terms of revenues? Last time around as well, we were talking about BKC revenues coming into your books. And now you're talking about Goregaon revenues as well. Could you give us the next couple of years, FY17, FY18, what will your revenues look like coming into your profit and loss account?
So if you look at the BKC, we will be completing this year's Signia Isle project. That is one of the signature island. We have already booked it in 2014. So now this year we are looking at booking Signia Isle. From there we are looking at a top line of close to 700 crores and the PAT of around 175 crores. And going forward in 2017 financial year, we'll see a growth of at least 20-25% as we'll be completing Signia Pearl in both top line as well as the bottom line. So we'll in 2017-18 we'll be looking at 2016-17 the numbers will be this.
Okay, Kamal, we leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining me in, and congratulations. Lots of monetization taking place for Sunteck Realty. Stock is up 6%. They expect revenues of 2,200 to 2,500 from Sunteck City, which is based in Goregaon, and PBT or profit before tax of nearly 700 crore rupees. So these numbers are going down well with the street, up 7.5% now. Time for a short break. We'll return our focus to the IT space to be an update of offshore insights.